years of close call, it finally happened to a Polk County road ranger. He was hit at full speed while pulled over on I-4. An elderly man died in the crash. 8 on your side, Stacy DeSilva spoke with a survivor who has a message for all drivers.
Mike DeLong is banged up, he's shaken, but he's alive, and for that, he's thankful. He says it's time drivers take the move over law seriously.
Blink of an eye and everything changes up there.
Mike DeLong didn't even see it coming. He had just got back into his Road Ranger truck. His warning lights were still blinking.
I was probably in the truck approximately a minute and a half when I was doing somersaults.
DeLong was hit from behind by a vehicle going approximately 70 miles per hour.
The lights were right where I got struck. They were 200 yards from my truck.
He was okay. The driver of that vehicle, 72-year-old Joseph Schoenbauer, was not. He died on scene. His wife critically injured.
There wasn't anything I could have done to change the outcome of this.
His friend, Sergeant Mary Godino, gave us a ride-along Tuesday. She was first on scene.
You get tunnel vision when you traveling at high speeds with your lights and siren, or knowing that somebody you might know might be, severely injured.
She was hit once too, 19 years ago.
You see red lights, blue lights, I don't care if they're pink lights. You should try to yield because we're on the side of the road working for a reason.
The move over law requires you to leave a lane between you and emergency responders or lower your speed to 20 miles per hour below the speed limit.
If they move over, that leaves a lane for emergencies if something does arrive.
The investigation continues into what caused the driver to crash into DeLong's truck. In Polk County, Stacy DeSilva, 8 on your side.